Learn how to make the perfect crispy seaweed roast with rice paper. From prepping to wrapping and pan frying to crispy perfection.
I'll walk you through every step. They are so delicious.
In a bowl, add the glass noodles and pour the hot water inside. Soak for about 3 minutes until softened. Drain.
Cut the glass noodles into shorter pieces.
In a mixing bowl, mix together the glass noodles, small deveined shrimp, carrot, scallions, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Here we have some rice paper. Place a sheet of rice paper flat. Prepare 1 cup of water for the rice paper. Brush a thin layer of water on the rice paper on both sides until softened. This is an important cooking tip. The oil will splatter a lot when the rice paper has too much moisture on it. These are the roasted seaweed. Add the roasted seaweed in the center, followed by the glass noodles and shrimp filling. Fold the bottom corner up. Then the 2 sides to the center, and roll it up all the way. Repeat with the rest. In a pan over medium heat, add the oil. And sprinkle with a pinch of salt. Here's another cooking tip. Salt will season the roast and help absorb some moisture so the oil won't splatter as much. Transfer the seaweed roast to the pan. Pan fry until crispy on every side for about 5 minutes. Remove and do the same with the rest. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out my salmon seaweed roast. What is your favorite filling for the seaweed roast? Let me know in the comment below.
This is absolutely delicious. I love it. You can hear how crunchy it is. It is easy to make, fun at the same time. I hope that you can give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. And please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!